Hi guys, I welcome you all to my channel CSNet Lectures. So in this session, we are going to discuss another very important topic of data structures, that is operator precedence. So which I have mentioned it in the last class. So this is a continuity of the previous session. Okay, if you have not watched all those classes, I will give the link in the description. You can go and watch it over and come back over here. Right? Shall we go for the discussion? Okay. Then another thing friends, this is a very important topic. So you have 100% surety that the questions will be asked in any examination. Right? Shall we go for the discussion? Okay. So now this is the table structure. So in this table structure I have mentioned what are all the important operators through which the questions are asked frequently and what is the priority given for each and every operator and what is the associativity. Okay, so what is called priority? So priority is nothing but importance. So we are giving most important preference for the operators which I have mentioned. Okay, so priority is nothing but importance of operators. Okay, so based on this only our evaluation is going to proceed with that of the operators and operands. Okay, so next is associativity. What is called associativity? So it is the direction of moving to solve the solution of the expression. Whether we are going to start from the left side or we are going to start to solve the problem in the right side. So that is called associativity. So associativity is nothing but direction of problem solving. Okay, so this is the direction through which we are going to proceed for solving the problem. Okay, so now see, the first two operators are very important. Suppose in the expression, if these operators are given, you must have to give importance only for these two. Okay, so after finishing solving this only, you should have to go for the remaining operators. Okay, so what is this symbol and what is this symbol? So these two refers to exponent, that is power. This is the power operator. Okay, so dollar is also sometimes they may give instead of this symbol. So both means the same. So these two operators are having the highest priority in solving the expression. Okay, so see, so the priority or importance is for this one. Okay, so you are giving highest priority of this operator. Right. So next is, what is the associativity? What is the direction of solving this operator is towards right side. Okay, so you must have to solve this expression towards right side. I will give you some examples. So based on this we can go for the discussion. You just note it down. Okay, so right associative is, for example, A $B power C. Suppose if you have given this type of an example, so how you should have to solve this is towards right side. So right side is this. So first you should have to complete this exponent and then you should have to complete this dollar exponent. Okay, so this is the meaning. So towards right you should have to solve this expression. Right friends, are you clear? So this exponent operator is having the highest priority with direction of solving is towards right. Okay, can you understand? So now for example, default is right associativity. Okay, suppose if they have mentioned in the question that use left associativity for these dollar and exponent operator, then you should have to start solving through this direction. Okay, by default you should use right associativity. Suppose if they have mentioned that what type of associativity is used, you must have to implement it. Okay, so not only for this, it is used for multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. This is the default associativity I have written. Okay, so the maximum they will not mention. Suppose if they have mentioned by chance, you should have to use associativity that they have given it in the question. Keep that in mind. Okay, so this is the default. Right? So now for multiplication and division, okay, so what is the priority is given? So priority is the second highest than that of this exponent operator. Okay, so that is first preference you should have to give for power. Then the second preference, after solving this 2, you should have to give priority for multiplication and division. Okay, can you understand? So what is associativity you must have to use? So the associativity you must have to use is left side. Okay, so towards left you should have to start solving the expression using these multiplication and division operators. Okay, that is by default. What? By default. Can you understand? Now, for example, let me write an example. So, A star B slash C. So, this is an example. So, in this expression, we are using two operators, that is star, that is asterisk, and slash operators, right? So, can you tell me what is the priority for asterisk and what is the priority for slash? So, both are having the same priority. So, what is the same priority? That is the second highest priority. So, how or what direction you must have to start solving this? That is towards left, isn't it? So, towards left is in this direction. Okay, so first you should complete this operator and second you should complete this operator. That is why solving these expressions, I will give you a proper explanation. Okay, I think so up to this is enough because this is an explanation of a table. Okay, while we are going for real-time examples, you will be having a clear idea. Right, can you understand? So, direction of solving is left. Okay, so next, the last but not the least, it is plus and minus. So, this is having the lowest priority when compared to that of these two. Okay, so when compared to that of exponents and multiplication and division, this plus and minus is having the lowest priority. So, what is the meaning of lowest? It is having the least importance. That is, after solving this and after solving this, you must have to go for solving plus or minus. Okay, so the associativity here is also left. Okay, so like this you may have, for example, plus or minus. So the way of solving this is, first you should solve plus and next you should solve minus. Right? Can you understand this table structure, friends? Okay, now you just visualize here. So this is one of the operators which you should have to use prior to that of these operators. Okay, what is this? This is a bracket. It is an open and close bracket. Okay, they may give a flat bracket or they may give a square bracket or they will give like this a parenthesis. So, whatever expressions that is being given within the open and closed brackets, only for that you should give the highest priority when compared to that of these three. Can you understand? So, first in the expression, suppose if you view and balancing parenthesis expression, first you should have to solve only that and then after that you should have to go for this priority consideration for the operators. Right? Can you understand, friends? So that's all. This is the operator precedence. So you should have to by heart or keep this in mind for solving the next problems that we are going to discuss while converting from infix to prefix or prefix to postfix or whatever vice versa the question is being asked. We are going to use this structure or the format. Okay friends, I think so you will be clear with this table. I think so this will also be very easy for you. So in the next session we will meet. Bye and thank you.